Here's how to easily reduce video file size in Premiere Pro. First of all, open the video in your Premiere Pro, then go to File, Export and click on Media. And you get this export window. Here, click on this preset drop down. And here, as you can see, my current video file size is 165 megabyte. Now, all you have to need to reduce this file size from this preset, you have to select Match Source High Bitrate, and then your video file size will reduce. So currently this size will be 82 megabyte. After that, go to Video and under Basic Video Settings, go down. And here we can see bitrate option. So all you have to need, you can decrease this target bitrate and maximum bitrate to reduce your video file size. Once you're happy with the file size, just click on export and that's it.